layak unggul, pekat dan berperisa kuat. Untuk memenuhi keperluan gaya hidup moden, bumbu menjadi mubalaghah makanan segera dalam package seperti 3 dalam 1 dan 2 dalam 1 untuk dinikmati oleh mereka yang sentiasa sibuk. Nikmati minuman kegemaran rakyat Malaysia. Boleh tarik kurang manis antara produk lain di dalam rangkaian kami, termasuk pelbagai packaging dan teh manis sedia untuk diminum. Tidak kira apa jua pilihan anda, BOH seimbangnya mempunyai teh yang dapat memenuhi cita rasa setiap penggemar teh. Warisan berzaman BOH di negara ini telah dikenal pasti dengan penerimaan banyak sijil-sijil dan anugerah serta pelbagai pengiktirafan di dalam komitmen kami bagi menghasilkan teh-teh terbaik. Di samping itu, sikap konsisten kami di dalam mematuhi peraturan keselamatan makanan dan perhatian yang diberikan kepada piawaian antarabangsa telah menjadikan kami sebagai syarikat teh pertama di dunia yang menerima pensijilan ISO 22000, yaitu standard global bagi pengurusan keselamatan makanan. Antara penerimaan sijil yang lain termasuk Good Agricultural Practice (GAP) yang dianugerahkan oleh Kementerian Pertanian yang mengiktiraf kami sebagai penjual komited kepada amanah keselamatan. Tempo disahkan halal menjadikan dia sesuai untuk demografi pengguna kami yang berminat agama dan bangsa. Lebih sedekad yang lalu, BOH telah memainkan peranan yang aktif di dalam industri seni dan budaya Malaysia. BOH telah menaja BOH Arts Awards sejak pembuatannya pada tahun 2002 lalu. BOH juga memberikan komitmen yang kuat untuk menyumbang kepada perlindungan alam sekitar dan telah bekerjasama selama bertahun-tahun dengan berbagai NGO di dalam projek-projek yang berbeza. BOH telah bekerjasama dengan WWF Malaysia dalam beberapa inisiatif pemeliharaan. BOH telah dipercayai oleh setiap generasi rakyat Malaysia dari berbagai latar kehidupan. Ini melintasi perbezaan.
inform you, the exit will be the same way right here. Do not ever go that way. There are cars going in and out. I don't want you all to get hit by a car. And also do not go at the back of the factory because there is a tiger. I forgot to inform you. There will be no tea processing for the day because there is no tea left. The tea leaves are not finished. We can go in and take a look at the machines today, just like a museum. Please wait for me at the Instagram. Wait for me at the Instagram. Okay, I want you all to see this. Okay, before we go into the factory, I would like to give a little briefing for the processing of black teas are made here. There will be 5 stages of making the black teas. The first thing you will do, picking up the fresh leaf tea in the gardens. And the first stage will be withering. This stage of manufacturing is conducted upstairs on the second floor, but we cannot go upstairs due to the safety issues. The objective of withering is to reduce the moisture content within the leaf for about 40 to 50%, 12 to 16 hours overnight. And the second stage will be rolling. We're just going to take the withered leaf, put it into a machine that will twist and break the withered leaf, liberating its juice for fermentation. And the third step will be fermentation. We're just going to leave the raw up tea leaf at room temperature for about 1.5 until 2 hours, during which the characteristic flavor and aroma are developed. And the fourth stage will be dry. The fully fermented leaf will go into a machine that is nearing 120 degrees Celsius. The objective of drying is to crystallize the juice and also converting into black crispy form. And the last stage will be sorting. The sorting takes place according to its size, from the biggest, smallest until dust. Each tea over here has its own density and flavor characteristics. For example, the bigger the tea is, the smoother the taste, the more fantastic the taste if you drink it plainly. If you try mix it up with other kind of stuff such as milk, sugar, honey or lemon, it will just spoil your taste. Because these both right here are from the baby leaves only. The smaller the tea is, the more stronger it tastes, the more mixture of stuff you have to put it in, such as milk, sugar, honey or lemon. But we recommend you put milk in it. It tastes good with milk. We're also going to extract the stalks and the fibers for the fertilizing. And after all of this process is all done, we are going to send it to Batik Selangor for packaging. And that is all for our briefing. Any questions?